Have you ever heard about the mysterious lights that appear in the Hessdalen Valley of Norway? They're known as the Hessdalen lights, an unexplained phenomenon that has puzzled scientists and enthusiasts for decades. These lights are often seen floating or darting across the night sky, presenting in hues of white, yellow, or red. They vary in size, from small orbs to large formations, captivating the curious minds. These fascinating lights were first reported in the early 20th century, but it wasn't until the 1980s that they really caught the world's attention. These aren't your typical lights. The Hessdalen lights exhibit some truly bizarre behaviors. They often make their appearance under the cover of night, sometimes remaining completely motionless in the sky, while other instances see them zipping rapidly through the valley. Their sizes vary from small, compact orbs to larger, more complex formations, and they radiate an array of colors, most commonly white, yellow, or red. But it's their sudden and unpredictable movements that truly captivate observers. These lights aren't bound by the rules we're accustomed to. They change direction abruptly, accelerate at astonishing speeds, and exhibit a fascinating game of hide and seek, disappearing and reappearing before one's eyes. But the peculiarities don't end here. Witnesses in close proximity to these lights have reported experiencing electromagnetic disturbances and radio interference. Yes, you heard that right. The Hessdalen lights aren't just a visual spectacle. They seem to have a tangible, albeit mysterious, impact on their surroundings. In the 1980s, scientists decided to delve deeper into the mystery of the Hessdalen lights, launching several scientific expeditions. The unexplained phenomena had generated so much curiosity that it was impossible to ignore the urge for a more comprehensive investigation. These expeditions were the first organized attempts to scientifically explain the lights, marking a significant turn in our understanding of this enigma. To facilitate this exploration, the Hessdalen Phenomena Project was established. This project was a dedicated effort, bringing together scientists from multiple disciplines with a single purpose: to demystify the Hessdalen lights. The project aimed to gather as much data as possible about these lights, hoping to find patterns or clues that could lead to a plausible explanation. As part of the project, monitoring stations were set up throughout the Hessdalen Valley. These stations were equipped with state-of-the-art technology for that time. Cameras were positioned to capture visual evidence of the lights. Spectrometers were employed to analyze the light spectrum, and other instruments were used to measure electromagnetic disturbances and radio interference. The intention was to capture the lights from every possible angle and perspective, to leave no stone unturned. Over the years, these monitoring stations collected a wealth of data, providing scientists with invaluable insights into the characteristics and behaviors of the Hessdalen lights. The lights were observed at different times, under various weather conditions, and from multiple locations, creating a comprehensive database for analysis. However, despite these extensive efforts, the lights remained an enigma. The data gathered was fascinating, but it did not provide a conclusive explanation for the origin or behavior of the lights. Each piece of evidence seemed to raise more questions than it answered, adding to the complexity of the puzzle. This early period of scientific investigation into the Hessdalen lights was a significant step forward. It laid the groundwork for future research and sparked a global interest in this phenomenon. Yet despite these extensive efforts, the lights remained an enigma, with no conclusive explanation for their origin or behavior. Over the years, a number of theories have been proposed to explain the Hessdalen lights. These luminous spectacles that dance across the Norwegian sky have fueled the curiosity of scientists and prompted numerous hypotheses. One of the earliest theories suggests that the lights could be a result of ionized gases. The Hessdalen Valley is rich in minerals such as zinc, copper, and iron. It's believed that these minerals could react with the sulfur-rich river water, leading to a release of ionized gas. This gas, when rising into the atmosphere, could create the mysterious lights we see. Another hypothesis proposes a plasma phenomena scenario. Plasma, often referred to as the fourth state of matter, is created when a gas's atoms are so energized that they begin to lose their electrons. The theory suggests that cosmic rays, those high-energy particles zooming in from space, could interact with the atmospheric gases, energizing them to a plasma state and resulting in the dazzling lights. Then there's the speculation that stirs the most intrigue, the extraterrestrial hypothesis. Some believe that the lights could be a form of communication or navigation from an otherworldly civilization. This theory, while fascinating, lacks substantial evidence and is largely based on conjecture. Of course, there are also more grounded theories. Some suggest that the lights might be a form of atmospheric electricity, similar to the aurora borealis. Others propose a piezoelectric effect caused by quartz crystals in the valley's rocks being squeezed under intense pressure. Yet, despite these varied theories, the truth remains elusive. Each hypothesis brings its own set of questions and inconsistencies, and none have been able to fully account for all the characteristics of the Hessdalen lights. While these theories provide possible explanations, none have been proven conclusively, and the Hessdalen lights continue to be a subject of debate and speculation. The mystery of the Hessdalen lights persists, challenging our understanding of the natural world and inviting us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep marveling at the wonders of our universe. The mystery of the Hessdalen lights is far from solved. In fact, research into this fascinating phenomenon is ongoing. Today, scientists from all corners of the globe are joining forces in a collaborative effort to unravel the enigma that are these captivating lights. The technology employed in this pursuit has come a long way since those early expeditions in the 80s. High-resolution cameras capture detailed images, while drones offer a bird's-eye view of the spectacle. Spectral analysis tools are used to dissect the light, providing scientists with invaluable data about its composition and origin. This wave of technological advancement has not only invigorated the field, but also broadened its scope. Today, the research is not just about understanding what these lights are, but also about exploring their potential implications for science and society. Could they represent a new form of energy? Or perhaps they hold the key to understanding similar phenomena elsewhere in the universe. This global collaboration and technological prowess are driving the research forward at an unprecedented pace. Yet, as we delve deeper into the unknown, the Hessdalen lights continue to resist categorization, to challenge our understanding, and to inspire awe and wonder. As we continue to probe the secrets of the Hessdalen lights, we can only speculate on what discoveries await us in the future.